lots, and so I'm gonna, everything I'm running for here and out is gonna be clots. But this is not a bad sled. I mean, it's you don't see them, not at all. You know, registered 96 last time, which is like 96. It was registered last time 21 years ago. Machine is 45 years old. So, good project. All you gotta do is just dial it in, you know. Look at there. Mercury Marine, Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. Here's what it is. Okay, I'm going home. Nice little cubby hole for storage. I have my first aid kits in here in case I got strand out here. Tools, what have ya. So you notice how it got boggy? I describe it, you go as vapor lock, but like one side guy said, needs base gaskets overheating. It's 13 degrees out. The thing should have ran, I mean, actually I ran for a while now before this here vid. And I just need some TLC. You will not see one of these on a vintage ride in northern Minnesota. It's pretty cool, and different. For sale, Duluth Craigslist. Click in Mercury Hurricane. The Sprint Fire I restored a couple years ago. Little 340 liquid, Mikuni, nice. All right, let's go on YouTube first. I mean, there's nothing out there other than some guy from 7 years ago that rambled on about problems, and his YouTube got sidetracked like 5,000 times. And Mark, there it is. Name's written all over it. Okay, turn off GoPro.